Welcome all of you on platform of Europedia Education, and today I am very happy and excited to share with you the detailed coverage of IIT Gandhinagar by Team Europedia. This was unique opportunity provided to us by Director of IIT Gandhinagar. We could visit the campus of IIT Gandhinagar, stay there for a couple of days and visit different labs, hostels, could meet professors, staff members, students, and we visited IIT Gandhinagar at the time when their cultural festival annual function Halla Bol was going on. So you can imagine the kind of energy which was present at that time in the campus. You know, this was a unique experience. I don't remember that such extensive coverage has ever been done of any center of excellence so far. Normally what we find is like there are aerial views of campuses where buildings and infrastructure is shown, but visiting inside labs, seeing what research work is going on, professors explaining in detail about their research work for prospective students, allowing us to interact with their students and visit the labs, that I don't think has ever been done. I am very sure the kind of information which you are going to see through these videos will be very helpful to all of you. Now this opportunity was provided to Team Europedia by Professor Jain, the director of IIT Gandhinagar, the founding director of IIT Gandhinagar, and there are so many people who are I must give credit to for making this entire coverage so successful. So many professors, staff members and students who have shared their views very candidly, openly, frankly with all of us. I am also thankful to my own team, those who have put lot of effort for a couple of days. We used to start our day early in the morning and end the day late in the night. So I am really thankful to all of them. Let me take the opportunity to thank all these members, all these people through this small video. Please please see all the videos which we will roll out in next couple of months, and that will be culminated through the documentary of IIT Gandhinagar. The objective, the purpose of this entire coverage was to let students realize what kind of career opportunities, research facilities are existing in the center of excellence and the institute of global reputation like IIT Gandhinagar. Many of you who are planning to pursue their education, graduation, masters, PhDs in institute like IIT Gandhinagar, they should know where they are going. They should know what kind of research facilities are existing, and we have tried to bring that out through these interactions, through these videos. I am very sure this will be very helpful to all of you. Now let me thank some of the people without whose cooperation of whom it would not have been possible for us to roll out this detailed coverage, this extensive coverage and the information videos. So let me thank first of all Professor Jain. Recently Professor Jain was bestowed with Padam Shri, and Professor Jain is the founding director of IIT Gandhinagar, and I think one of the rare example where he got the directorship of IIT Gandhinagar third time. He is a great visionary academic leader. I am also thankful to many of the faculty members, especially Professor Amit, who could provide me the detailed guidelines how this entire coverage should be done, what should be covered and in what manner it should be covered. I am thankful to Professor Gaurav. I am thankful to Professor Udit Bhatia for letting me know his research work and visit his labs. Let me thank Professor Vijay, Professor Shivapriya, Professor Neeldhara Mishra. Professor Mishra was responsible for handling this entire visit of Team Europedia. I am really thankful to Professor Neeldhara for the detailed cooperation and coordination and helping us cover this entire campus. I am thankful to the senior professors, Professor Uttama Lahiri, Professor Arup Lal and Professor Shanmugan. They not only shared their research experiences with me, but also they let me visit their labs and interact with their research scholars. I am thankful to Professor Jason, the person behind the entire philosophy and culture part of IIT Gandhinagar. He himself is a professor of philosophy and also the person I think responsible for initiating the specialization of cognitive science in IIT Gandhinagar. Through him I could understand the culture of IIT Gandhinagar. We had long hours of interactions, and he could explain how students in IIT Gandhinagar are treated like adult and why hostels do not have boundaries. I am thankful to Professor Harish, Professor Jayachandar, both Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, and I could visit the labs of both the professors and interact with their students. Thanks a lot, Professor Kabir, the person who is doing transformational research in his domain of expertise. You will really enjoy the work being done by Professor Kabir. Thanks a lot, Professor Chandan, for his telling me not only about the basic sciences physics part of IIT Gandhinagar, but also hostel life of IIT Gandhinagar, being the, I think, warden of these hostels. Special thanks to Dr. Kumbar for letting us visit the library and telling us the informations, giving us a lot of information about the library of IIT Gandhinagar. Thanks a lot, Mr. Santosh, for coordinating. Shivangi, the team member of executive group created to let Team Europedia visit different places and for maintaining all the schedules. Thanks a lot, Devarsh. Special thanks to Somil Shah. Normally the placement details and placement data is not shared by institutes, but Professor Somil did lot of work, collected a lot of data, put the things in right perspective, and at the end we could conclude that the placements in IIT Gandhinagar are as good as any old IIT. I am especially thankful to Mansa and Professor Jason. Our minute to minute scheduling was possible and interaction with so many professors was possible thanks to Mansa. She put lot of effort in maintaining that tight schedule for all of us. I am also thankful to my own team, Tyagi sir, Vishal sir, Kailash sir, Gurvinder sir and Pradeep for visiting different labs and making this coverage possible, this detailed coverage possible. Now I welcome you all and to visit the campus of IIT Gandhinagar. Let's go with us to different labs, let's meet different professors, let's meet different research scholars and know through them what work is going on and why IIT Gandhinagar is a unique IIT. As it is said that 1000 miles journey start with the first step, we have taken the first step. We will keep on visiting such institutes of national importance and center of excellence, and the information which will be shared, I am very sure will be very helpful, useful to all of us. Let's visit the campus now and let's enjoy the journey.